AI is everywhere right now, and everyone's telling you it's going to change your life. But nobody's showing you how to actually use it today, for real things. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what AI can do for you, the 3 platforms worth knowing about, and how to talk to them so they actually give you useful answers. Let's go. Think of AI, specifically the kind you can talk to, as an extremely well-read assistant. It's processed basically the entire internet. It can write, summarize, explain, brainstorm, and answer questions. The key insight, it responds to you. The better your question, the better the answer. That's the whole game. Now, which one should you actually use? ChatGPT, the household name. Made by OpenAI, this is the one that started the mainstream AI wave. It's the most recognized, has a massive user base, and is great for general tasks, writing, answering questions, coding help. The free version is solid. GPT 5.5 is the current flagship model, and it also handles voice, Python execution, image generation, and file creation. If you're starting from zero, this is probably where most of your friends already are. Gemini, Google's answer. Gemini is Google's AI, and its superpower is that it's plugged into the internet in real time. So unlike the others, it can tell you what happened this morning. It also integrates with Google Drive, Gmail, and your Google account, which makes it incredibly useful if you're already in that ecosystem. Great for research and anything where being current matters. Claude, the thoughtful one. Claude is made by Anthropic, and this is the one I personally reach for when I need serious thinking done. It handles long documents really well. You can paste an entire report and it'll analyze it. It tends to be more careful and nuanced in its answers, and it's particularly good at writing that actually sounds like a human wrote it. It also has one of the longest memory windows, meaning you can have a much longer back and forth before it forgets the beginning of your conversation. All 3 are free to start. All 3 have paid tiers for heavier use. My honest take? Try all 3 for a week and see which one feels right to you. They each have a personality. Okay, let's make this real. I'm going to use Claude for something a lot of people genuinely struggle with: writing a cover letter for an internship. Most people stare at a blank page for an hour. Watch how fast this goes. I'm going to type, write a cover letter for a marketing internship at a tech startup. I'm a second-year university student studying business. I have experience running my university's Instagram account, and I did a 2-month volunteer role doing social media for a local charity. In about 4 seconds, a full professional cover letter. It hits the right tone, it references the experience I gave it, and it doesn't sound robotic. But here's where most people stop when they should keep going. I'm going to refine it. I'll type, make the opening line more attention-grabbing, and add a line about being a fast learner who's comfortable working in fast-paced environments. Now that's a cover letter someone actually reads. The difference between a good AI output and a great one is that second message, the follow-up. Don't just take the first draft, push it. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They type one vague sentence, get a mediocre answer, and give up. Wrong way. Help me with my resume. Right way. I'm a nurse with 5 years of experience applying for a hospital management role. Rewrite this bullet point to sound more leadership-focused. Then paste it in. Context is everything. Brief it like a smart colleague, not a search bar. Quick reality check. AI makes stuff up. It's called hallucination. Ask it for specific facts, statistics, or recent events, and always verify independently. Even Gemini, which is connected to the web, can get things wrong. And none of them know your situation unless you tell them. They're powerful, but they're not psychic. Use them as a first draft, not a final answer, especially for anything medical, legal, or financial. So here's your 5-minute takeaway. ChatGPT is the most popular and great all around. Gemini is your pick if you need real-time info or live in Google's world. Claude is exceptional for longer, more nuanced thinking and writing. Give them context. Be specific. Treat them like colleagues. And always double-check facts. Pick one platform, open it right now, and give it a real task from your actual life. That's the moment it goes from interesting to useful. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. I break down tech in plain English every week. See you in the next video.